Successfully stop snoring with this easy advice. There is plenty to be worried about if you're constantly snoring in your sleep. You don't want to annoy loved ones like your toddlers, a sibling, or a spouse with your loud snoring while you are in dreamland. If you want to learn how to get rid of some of the snoring you do while you sleep, then read through this video and see what you can do to do just that. While it may seem strange, you should wash or replace your pillows frequently to prevent snoring. If your snoring is allergy related, your pillows, which can house dust mites, dander, and other allergens, may be the culprits. Regular laundering or purchasing fresh pillows will keep these allergens to a minimum. Alternately, try hypoallergenic cases for your pillows. Stay away from drugs that are illegal. These illicit drugs can contribute to your snoring. Marijuana and other similar drugs are designed to create a feeling of relaxation. Painkillers, bought illegally on the street, will also have the same effect. Being fully relaxed feels great when you're conscious, but it's not so good when you're snoring in your sleep. Do not consume dairy before going to bed. Dairy products may cause a buildup of mucus in your respiratory system, and this buildup causes snoring. Do not eat ice cream, drink milk, or consume any other dairy products before bed, and this can help you avoid snoring. As you have learned through this video, there are a lot of ways to get rid of the snoring you do while you sleep. Take into account all that you learned from this video and continuously expand your knowledge in the subject. If you do this and apply all that you learned, then you should reduce your snoring before you know it. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.